Students, good day. Today we are going to create your laboratory activity number 10, weighted average. So we have your instruction. Using NetBeans or Java compiler, create a class named weighted average. Using what you have learned in arithmetic operators and variables, create the program. So we are given a problem. Create a program that will compute the weighted average grade of the students for the following subject. Use the variables and the data given below. So we have your data. So we are given 3 subjects: math, science, and PE. So the units for each subjects are 3, 4, and 2, and the grades are 85, 90, and 99 respectively. And important note, comment your complete name and date of submission in your code window. We are also given the expected output for this program, so we are expected to display the given at runtime and of course the computed weighted average of the grade. So let's create our program. Open your NetBeans or any Java compiler. So let's go to File tab and New Project. In our new project dialog box, select Java with Maven and then Java application and click Next. For our project name, we are going to use weighted average. So weighted average. And of course, we're going to save our project. So I'm going to save this in my desktop. So I'm going to choose desktop and create a dedicated folder for this project alone. I'm going to call this folder as project 10 weighted average. Then we're going to select our folder where we wanted to save our project and then click open. And of course, we're going to delete the value for the package and just click finish. In our project navigation pane, we're going to expand the icon for the project and we're going to expand your source package and select or right click on the default package and then select new and of course Java class. In our new Java class dialog box, we're going to type our class name, weighted average. And of course, just click finish. Now we have your code window, so we're going to start with your public static void main and tab key in our keyboard. And of course, we're going to declare our variables. So based on the problem, we have 3 variables. So that's it. Math, science, and PE. So let's declare them as integer, math is equals to 85, integer science is equals to 85, science is equals to 90, integer PE is equals to 99. So we are able to declare our variable. Next, we're going to declare another variable for the average. So we're going to declare this as double average and equals to. So we're going to give the value of our average. To compute for the value of our average, we're going to multiply the grade by its unit and divide it by the number of unit. So math multiplied by its unit, which is 3, plus science multiply by each unit of 4 so don't forget to enclose that in a close and open parentheses plus PE multiply by its unit of 2. So we're going to get the sum and divide it by the total number of unit which is 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 is 9, and of course semicolon. Okay, so this is the formula to compute for the weighted average of the 3 subjects that we have. So what is left to do is to declare it or display it at runtime. So we're going to start with displaying our given at runtime. So let's write the code, starting with subject system out the printing subject grade. Okay, we are done with writing the code to display the given at runtime. Now let's write the code to display the computed average at runtime. So again, let's start with subject system out.print system out.print computing weighted average as a prompt. Computing weighted average. Next, we're going to display the variable that holds the value for the weighted average. So system out.print result is equals to plus ave, and that's it. We are able to write the code for this program. So we are able to declare our variables based on the given, which is math, science, and PE, and they are all given a data type of integer. And also we are able to compute the weighted average of these 3 subjects using the formula subject multiplied by its unit, and of course divide by sum of all the subject divide by 9, and declare this as variable average or AV and a data type of double. So what is left to do is save our project. So click save all button and then check our project during runtime. So run project button, and in our select main class for execution, so select weighted average, then select main class button. Okay, students, we are able to successfully run our project. So we are able to display the given at runtime, and of course the result of computed weighted average of the subject at runtime. Okay, so that's it for your laboratory activity number 10, weighted average. Thank you for your time, students, and see you again in our next project.